Hello everyone, and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving into a topic that has gained a lot of attention over the years: the benefits of a low-carb diet. Many people have turned to low-carb diets to improve their health, lose weight, and enhance their overall well-being. But what exactly is a low-carb diet, and why has it become so popular? In this video, we will explore the numerous benefits of a low-carb diet, backed by scientific research and practical insights. So, sit back, relax, and let's delve into the world of low-carb eating and discover how it can positively impact your health. A low-carb diet is a way of eating that restricts the intake of carbohydrates, primarily found in sugary foods, pasta, and bread. Instead, it emphasizes foods rich in protein and fat. There are various types of low-carb diets, such as the ketogenic diet, Atkins diet, and other similar eating plans. The underlying principle of all these diets is to reduce carbohydrate intake and replace it with protein and fat. One of the primary benefits of a low-carb diet is weight loss. Many people turn to low-carb diets to shed excess pounds, and for good reason. Studies have shown that low-carb diets are highly effective for weight loss, often outperforming low-fat diets. By reducing carbohydrates, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This process not only helps you lose weight, but also targets visceral fat, the dangerous fat that accumulates around your organs and is linked to various health issues. Beyond weight loss, a low-carb diet can help to stabilize blood sugar levels. When you consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and raises blood sugar levels. In response, the pancreas releases insulin to lower blood sugar. By reducing carbohydrate intake, you minimize the spikes in blood sugar and insulin, leading to more stable energy levels throughout the day. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance, as it can help to manage their condition and reduce the need for medication. Another significant benefit of a low-carb diet is its impact on heart health. Contrary to the traditional belief that a high-fat diet is harmful to the heart, research has shown that low-carb diets can improve several markers of heart health. These include reducing triglyceride levels, increasing HDL, good cholesterol, and improving the LDL, bad cholesterol profile by increasing the size of LDL particles. These changes can lower the risk of heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular health. Low-carb diets can also improve brain function and mental clarity. The brain typically relies on glucose for energy, but it can also use ketones, which are produced during ketosis, as an alternative fuel source. Many people on low-carb diets report improved focus, concentration, and cognitive performance. Additionally, reducing carbohydrate intake can help to stabilize mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. This is likely due to the more stable blood sugar levels and the anti-inflammatory effects of a low-carb diet. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. A low-carb diet can help to reduce chronic inflammation by lowering blood sugar and insulin levels, which are known to promote inflammation. Additionally, low-carb diets are often rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and non-starchy vegetables, which can further help to reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Another benefit of a low-carb diet is improved digestion and gut health. Many people who switch to a low-carb diet report better digestion, less bloating, and fewer digestive issues. This is likely due to the reduction in processed foods and sugars, which can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and lead to digestive problems. Instead, a low-carb diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in fiber and beneficial nutrients, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and improving overall digestive health. Low-carb diets can also enhance athletic performance and recovery. While carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for high-intensity exercise, many athletes have found that they can perform just as well, if not better, on a low-carb diet, particularly for endurance activities. By adapting to burn fat for fuel, athletes can tap into a more sustainable and abundant energy source, leading to improved endurance and reduced reliance on carbohydrate intake during long workouts. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of a low-carb diet can help to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise. Another significant benefit of a low-carb diet is its potential to improve skin health. Many people who adopt a low-carb diet report clearer, healthier skin, and a reduction in skin conditions such as acne. This is likely due to the reduction in processed foods and sugars, which can contribute to skin problems. Additionally, a low-carb diet is often rich in skin-friendly nutrients such as healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, which can promote a clear, glowing complexion. Hormonal balance is another area where a low-carb diet can have a positive impact. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating many bodily functions, and an imbalance can lead to a variety of health issues. By reducing carbohydrate intake, you can help to stabilize blood sugar and insulin levels, which can positively affect the balance of other hormones such as cortisol, the stress hormone, and leptin, the hormone that regulates hunger and satiety. This can lead to improved energy levels, reduced stress, and better overall health. A low-carb diet can also support liver health. The liver plays a vital role in metabolizing carbohydrates and producing glucose. By reducing the intake of carbohydrates, you can reduce the liver's workload and allow it to function more efficiently. Additionally, a low-carb diet can help to reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver, which is often linked to high carbohydrate intake and insulin resistance. Furthermore, a low-carb diet can improve overall energy levels and reduce fatigue. Many people experience a significant boost in energy when they switch to a low-carb diet, likely due to the stabilization of blood sugar levels and the body's adaptation to burning fat for fuel. This can lead to more consistent and sustained energy throughout the day, reducing the need for frequent snacks and the energy crashes that often accompany high-carb meals. In conclusion, the benefits of a low-carb diet are numerous and far-reaching. From weight loss and improved blood sugar control to enhanced heart health, brain function, and digestion, a low-carb diet can have a profound impact on overall health and well-being. By reducing carbohydrate intake and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods rich in protein and healthy fats, you can support your body's natural processes and achieve better health outcomes. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life today. I hope you found this discussion on the benefits of a low-carb diet informative and inspiring. Stay healthy, eat well, and see you in the next video.